Good afternoon, class. How are you today? Let's see this here. Nel Mahakit, Mariana, Suchi, Maria. That's right. Okay, before we start or discuss our class today, but I want to ask you to pray for. So let's start. Finish. Okay, so everyone, you can see our learning objective today is identifying developing speaking skills by expressing opinions about movies or TV series. The second point is using appropriate language to express, and the last is boosting confidence in speaking and expressing opinions. So everyone, those are you will use that. You will apply that in this class. Alright, before we start to our class today, but I want to ask you about what is your favorite movie or TV series?
Okay, my favorite movie is Doctor Strange.
Oh, what? Why do you choose this movie for your favorite?
Like I love fictional movies, so it's really good. The themes and also I love the characters.
Oh,
The
wow.
characters.
Great opinion. Thank you, Maya. Well, next one, we go to our title of class today is about expressing opinion. And then you can see the express examples. First one is I love the movie because blah blah. And then the best part of the series is, and the last is I'm not a fan of the film because. So I want for the express examples later you will in your discussions and you will present your short presentation like just second. So you can see use expression examples I will show to you right now. And then you can see the list of movies or TV series. For the movies, Avengers, Titanic, and The Lion King, and the series, the topic and the series topic is Game of Thrones, Stranger Things, and Narcos or series biographies. Case Kejahatan. So right now, I want to divide you into two groups. Yes. For this part, you need to group one, and this part group two. Right now, you can discuss. You can choose one of the yes movie or series topic, and then you can discuss that. After that, you present. I give your time 2 minutes.
Yeah, like
Okay, everyone, time's over. Right now, you turn to present each group. You present your short presentation. Start from group two.
I just movie The Lion King and Princess. So I just the movie The Lion King. I love the movie because it has an engaging story full of emotions. The movie also has strong and complex
you have not right, we have not right articulation or intonations. So next week you will prepare that one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one for group one.
Okay. In our group, we choose Stranger Things. We choose it because we love it, just like the plot is good, and also I love the best part of the series that is intriguing story full of mystery. The series also has strong and complex characters such as Eleven and Mike, which can spark discussions about themes and like friendship, bravery, and teamwork. Additionally, the series has
Science.
Is it enough?
yes, it's our
Okay, that's great. That was for group one. Okay, because you have presented your short presentation for from each group. So right now I want to ask you, maybe you give your reflections there for our class today. So I want to, yes, you have presented your short presentation. Second, so right now I want to ask you, you give your reflections. So I'm here, I will give you two questions. So what they have learned and how they can improve their speaking skills in English. Okay. Okay, that's great. Anything?
I will speaking English and play speaking English. Vacation or speaking with
Okay, that's great. Thank you. Okay, everyone, yes, you have learned about specific today about you keep your about TV or movie or TV series. So I think that you today you have given the best your opinion, and then I want to say that thank you for you guys go participating here in this class, and thank you so much.